welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I don't want to even do too much talking or too much blah blah blah. I just want to get right into today's video. Today's video is turning this it's a bit wet because I just came out from the bathing room where I went to rest my hair with a bit of water just to get it wet. But without too much talking, let's get right into this video. Oh, by the way, if today's your first time coming across my video, you're very welcome. Thank you for tuning in, and make sure you like, comment, share, subscribe, and join the tribe. My hair is already wet, like I said, so I'm just going to apply this baby here, leave-in conditioner, to get it a bit, it's almost finished, but yeah, still have some to get it soft. Hey guys, so it's going to be a voiceover anyways because I was not about to start talking and doing my hair. This video would have been uneditable for me, to be honest. So anyways, I forgot I didn't apply lip gloss and I hate dry lips. Story for another day. So I applied the leave-in conditioner on my hair, and I'm just trying to like get it soft and detangled a bit because my hair is strong like stone. And then I wanted a side part for this style, even though it's a low burn, and I just feel like I could have done the center part because that would have been easier for me to like slick down. But I wanted a side part, and this was the process. And then I went ahead to like split my head. I split the hair into two so that I can work on the back side first. My hair was too short, guys. The hairband could not hold my hair, so I had to like split that also into two and then use a hair clip to hold the other half of the hair. And then we started from the back. By the way, olive oil eco styling gel, please. That's the only gel you should be applying on your hair. Every other gel is prohibited, okay? Because you don't want gel that leaves a white cast on your head, gets dry, gets frizzy and stuff. Like, this has been my gel for years. If you watch my video of a year ago, this is also the gel I use. This is literally the only gel I apply on my hair, to be honest. So yeah, I was just slicking the back of this hair, applied some gel, went in with a white tooth comb. You can actually go in also with a hairbrush if you have any, but I don't use hairbrush on my hair. Don't ask me why, I've never tried it. I just stick to my comb, and yeah, that's what works for me. So I tried to like comb this out with the gel. I didn't apply gel thoroughly everywhere on the hair, so it was just basically on the outer parts to make it slick and slip down. Slick and slip. Tunga brasha. Yeah, so that was the main purpose of that. And then we're going to move to the front part. This is just a holding for the minute, okay? This is not the permanent slick. And then we started from the smaller section of the side parts, went in again to like get the line as straight as possible. This part very difficult, but yeah, we shall succeeded. Went in again with my tooth comb and then applied gel all over to like get it slick down. My hair is actually so short and so stubborn. Short and stubborn. And then I went in with a small comb just to comb the gel in properly because I didn't want to like apply gel all over my hair too much. Yeah, because then it's just looking nasty. And then went in with a bobble pin to like secure that down. Like I said, this is just temporarily securing down. It's not the main slick down one that we're doing. So this is just for the applying of the gel. And then I sectioned the big part of the side part with my hands into two, apply the gel as well. And then we're also going to comb through this to get it slick down and make sure the gel is everywhere on the hair. we're just going to comb. And then I took out the bobby pin from the other side, took out the rubber band, and then just comb thoroughly together to like lay it into one low bun together. My hair is actually short, so this was really difficult. I had to like pull and slick a bit. If your hair is a bit longer than mine, this might be easier, or you bring the bun a bit higher, maybe not necessarily like the lowest of the lowest bun you can get. But yeah, Usha succeeded, and this was the mini bun we were able to get out of the hair. Now obviously there's always that one strings of hair that want to disgrace their family members. And then went back in again with few gels just to like lay it down and get the perfect slick. Because see, we want this thing to be slick. I don't want to wear this hairstyle for at least 2-3 days. And then it's time for the edges. I actually do my edges with Got2b glue because this actually stays the whole day, even if I'm sweating or I'm running or something. Like, oh, that was a bit too much there. But yeah, I'll just go in with Got2b glue. What's it called? Glue. Yeah, Got2b glue, right? I go in with that. That's what I actually normally I can use the Eco Styling Gel for my edges as well. So this is not necessarily a must, but I just prefer using this because it lasts longer, especially if I'm like going for an event, a party or something, like I'm all out all night or something, and I want my edges to be laid down for like 10-12 hours. This is my go-to. And then I'll just tie this down with a hair scarf to get it laid down and slick. Obviously, because we have Got2b glue, don't lay this down. If you're using Got2b glue for your edges, don't lay this down for more than 5 minutes. If not, you're literally laying your hair band on your edges, okay? And that's not the goal. Then I got this kinky straight from, I don't know how you pronounce it. Is it Nobel or Nobella? I don't know, but it's just kinky straight hair. I actually wanted to use this for a protective hairstyle, which I will still do. So if you don't want to miss out on that video, make sure you subscribe, join the tribe, okay? And I got this for €7, so approximately $6.5. Let's just say $7, because I'm not really sure of the exchange rate as of today that I'm speaking on this video. I got this hair. It was fluffy, looking natural, and like I said, I was going to do the protective hairstyle with it, so it's like the kinky twist hairstyle. I was trying to do that with my hair, which the video will be coming out very soon, so subscribe, okay? And I was just pulling down the ribbon because I don't understand why the ribbon was down, and I wasn't ready to like open the hair because I'm still going to use it for my protective hairstyle. And then fluff that out, pull a rubber band in the middle just to secure it or just to hold it properly, and then went ahead. So I had, at this point it was 5 minutes already. Like I said, I had to take out the scarf before it starts sticking to my edges. Then went ahead and used the hairband to secure that to my hair. Now this part is not necessarily important, but for this particular video it was, because I didn't want to take out the hair ribbon. So I just tucked it in the hair and roll it up like you're rolling a burrito, a fish roll, or yeah, a snacks, anything that is rollable. What else do you roll? All right, cool. My brain is going somewhere else. And then secure that with a bobby pin. And that was actually looking like a cute bun. Oh, it's actually still looking like a cute bun. Just wait until the aftermath. And then in the middle of my hair, you can see that one part of the hair was not really slicking because, like I said, my hair is pretty short. So I just went in with a bobby pin just to secure that, and then go in again with my scarf. This time around, as I'm tying my scarf, I'm not necessarily tying down my edges anymore. So you can see that my edges are not really tied down. So I just left that part out because I'm not trying to lay my scarf on my edges. Okay, it's not a wig. So, and then that's it. Went and did a 5 minutes, 10 minutes makeup just to give the look So this is why I said it was a cute one before, because the back was not sticking. But I went in again with bobby pins and just pinned that down to give me the vibe I was looking for. And voila, I was ready to go out. Like, look at that. Look at that. Spec. Like, this hairstyle is actually so cute and so affordable. If you loved the video, leave a comment down below. If you have any suggestion to enhance this hairstyle, leave it down below. We might be doing an update video very soon. Guys, this is the final look. Hope you enjoyed the video. Like, comment, share, and I'll see you on our next video. Kiss kiss.